A charge q is placed at the center of the line joining two equal charges capital Q. If the system of three charges is in equilibrium, find small q in terms of capital Q. Okay, three charges are to be considered, in which two capital Q charges, see, two capital Q charges are kept on a line, on a straight line, for example, like this. So both of these charges are capital Q, and a small q charge is kept at the center, right, at the center on the line joining the two charges. So this is going to be the small q charge. So since it is at the midpoint, if this distance is x, distance from the other capital Q is also will be x to the small q charge. So this is the arrangement. Three charges are given. The question says the three charge system is in equilibrium. That means total force acting on these charges will be 0. See, for example, let me take charge at the point A. How many forces are acting on the charge at the point A? There will be two forces, right? One due to this capital Q and the other force due to the small q kept at the center. So there will be two forces acting on the charge at the point A. And according to the question, as per the question, F1 plus F2 is going to be 0, right. So what are those two forces? Let me write those two forces here. First force, I am taking F1 as the force on this capital Q because of the other capital Q. So K into Q1 into Q2 is going to be Q square, capital Q square, divided by distance between two capital Q charges is 2x. 2x the whole square becomes 4x squared, plus F2. F2 is the other force acting on the same charge, like because of that green charge, the small q. So that charge can be written as, that force can be written as K into small q divided by x square into capital Q, right, K Q1 Q2 by R square, and according to the question this can be equated to 0, right. So if you take one of the term to the other side, RHS, K Q square by 4x square can be equated to minus of K small q capital Q divided by x square. And now as we know, we can cancel K from either side, and one of the capital Q gets cancelled and x square can be cancelled from either side. So what will you get from this? In the LHS we have just q by 4, correct? Yes. And in the RHS we have minus q. Therefore the answer for the question was to find out small q in terms of capital Q. Small q is going to be negative of capital Q by 4.